I put the greatest quarterback in Madden history up against the hardest hitting defense in the league. I'm talking about Corta Ponda. If you know him, you know him. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to introduce you to Corta Ponda, the 99 overall quarterback that can do everything but keep the ball in his hands when he gets hit and stay from getting injured. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. We're gonna get straight into the game. Let's do it. All right, let's see. Good catch. Oh, he dropped the ball. I'm surprised he ain't fumbled that. Good catch. That's cool. Get you a little 5 yards. We'll take that. Nah, bump that. Them boys was coming. Hey, yo, them boys was flying. Good throw, good catch. We on that. Good catch. This man running backwards though. Over the middle. Nope. They called intentional grounding on that boy too. So he might as well have took the sack. But it would have been a chance that he got hurt or even fumbled. Oh my goodness, he fumbled. All right. Yeah, we'll just punt that. 4th and 40 is crazy. Good catch and run. Good catch and run. Come on now. Them boys was really on it though, like blitzing crazy on 1st down. I mean, I guess that is a running play, or a running down, I should say. That was the slowest I ever seen a running back get off the ball. I ain't even finna cat to you. Let's see if we got X right here. Good catch. Oh, that boy got lifted crazy though. That boy out of there. Of course, they gonna call it 2nd and inches, but that's cool. I ain't tripping. We'll just run it, you know what I'm saying? J.K. Dobbins, you can't do me dirty right here. You can't do me dirty right here, J.K. Oh yeah, he's wide open. We going. And that's a tutty. Let's do it. Let's do it. Corta Ponda is really going crazy in the snow against the hardest hitting defense in the league. You could probably make him fumble, but you can't stop him. I'm finna run it. I'm finna see what this run game do. Oh, if he would have hit that little spin move, that would have been crazy. See, they thinking I'ma pass it every single time. We ain't on that. We playing in the snow against the hardest hitting defense in the league. My quarterback, he fumbles easily. We can't be on no stupid mess this game. I'm telling you, we can't be. Let's do it. X is wide open. Quit playing with him. I might just go ahead and franchise with this dude. I ain't even finna lie. See if he could take the Broncos all the way to the Super Bowl. Nope. Oh, he ain't catch it. That's cool. The boy was on him crazy. And he threw a pick. I seen that boy there the whole time, really. Look, that was nobody's fault but mine. Let's see what he does here. We'll call that timeout. And we got the safety. Oh, I shouldn't even call the timeout. I'm tripping. See, you can't even see the line, so I ain't even really see that. We got a safety. And we finna return with 30 seconds left. Let's do it. Got picked off. But we got it back again. We gonna have to do something really wild to get some points on the board. And they're playing stupid deep. They got 2 high, like right next to each other. Dang. Let's see what it do. Oh, he overthrew him. Crazy. You know what? It's because I tried to lead him. But that man really was wide open. That could have been something. Oh, that's PI. Okay, good catch with the first down. Okay, good run. Okay, JK. Somebody should be open. Nope. And he on that. Yeah. We got the blockers. We got the blockers. Look, J.K. Dobbins is really carrying this drive, man. I'm gonna need Corta Ponda to do something. Hold on, I got y'all, man. Look, just for the viewers, I'm finna do something with him. Just for the viewers' sake. Come on, let's do it. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. We'll take that short throw. We just needed the first down real quick. Oh yeah, that might do it to end out the quarter. I don't think they're gonna hit this motion fast enough. Oh, they did. Oh, and he got smacked as he threw. But that's gonna do it for the third quarter. We up 9-0. And I really do feel like Corta Ponda got this game in the bag. I feel like we done did it again, boys. I feel like Square gonna be, oh. Yup, Square. Good catch. And we just gonna throw it in for the touchdown real quick, man. Hey, Sutton should be open for this little touchdown, man. Him or Ingram. That's who I'm hitting. I'm just letting y'all know right now. Look, ooh, right there. Touchdown. Touchdown. I called it, look, I just see it. Corta Ponda sees it before it happens. Oh, they want me to go for 2. I could go for 2 real quick. Oh yeah, we running that. We running that all day. That's all day. They came up big. Regular day, that spin move would have been crazy. Like them little crossing routes. Oh, I don't have them, so I'm running. I'm taking off. I'm taking off. Damn, 3rd and 5? I thought we got a little further than that. Let's see. I can't even tell who finna go on this little cut back out, but hey, we finna see. Oh. Hey man, it's 55 seconds left. Let's see if we can get something crazy just for the hell of it. Cause this game is already over. Oh, this boy that boy slipped and then fumbled. Let's see if Circle get him a little, nah, he ain't even like that for real. Corta Ponda really just gonna have to. So let's see if we get some quick. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Get out of bounds, boy. Get out of bounds, boy. Get out of bounds, boy. Let's see. We might have Ingram going crazy on this little side. Oh, late game pick to end the game. Hey, man, say, man. And that's going to do it, y'all. I done put Corta Ponda against the hardest hitting defense in the league and the Blizzard. Hey, man, our defense came up crazy. Gave us the opportunity to go down the field and score. The score was only 17-0. So as you can see, our offense ain't put too much points up on the board, but the Houston Texans did have 0. Shout out to the defense, man. Let me know what else y'all want to see in the comments. I got some new challenges coming for y'all. I got some new builds coming for y'all. I can't wait to show it to y'all, man. Hey, but that's gonna do it for today. I'll see y'all later.
Just wake up feeling good, you know?